You downloaded Bitget Wallet because everyone keeps talking about Web3, swaps, and airdrops, but when you open the app, it looks confusing. Don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to use Bitget Wallet step by step in the simplest way possible. First, install Bitget Wallet from Play Store or App Store and open it. You'll see two options, Create Wallet or Import Wallet. If you're new, tap Create Wallet. Set a strong password and then the most important part appears, your recovery phrase. This is your wallet's master key. Screenshot Matlina, Gshiko send Matkarna, and never store it online. Write it on paper and keep it safe because if you lose it, your crypto is gone forever. After setup, you'll land on the home screen. This is your wallet dashboard. Here you can see your balance, tokens, NFTs, and networks. Now let's understand the main buttons. The receive option is used when someone wants to send you crypto. Tap receive. Select the coin like USDT or ETH. Copy your wallet address and share it. The send option is for transferring crypto. Paste the receiver's address, enter amount, confirm transaction, and pay network fee. Next is swap. This lets you exchange one crypto for another directly inside the wallet. Choose the token you have, select the token you want, check fees, and confirm. If you want to buy crypto using card or payment methods, use the buy option. Payment availability depends on your country. Now the important part, networks. At the top of the wallet, you'll see network selection like Ethereum, BNB Chain, Polygon, or others. Always match the network before sending or receiving crypto. Wrong network means lost funds. No support will save you. Bitget Wallet also has a Discover or DApp section. This is where Web3 starts. You can connect to DeFi apps, airdrops, NFT platforms, and games directly from the wallet browser. When a website asks to connect wallet, approve only trusted sites.